If you're wondering how to get the best results for your classroom using Suno AI, I'm going to show you how now. All right, so we log into Suno AI and we're going to go over to create. Right here, you would normally just type in your regular prompt, but instead click over on your custom prompt. I showed you this in the last video, and now in this video, you're going to want to enter your own lyrics. You can write with Suno. It's not perfect, but it works okay. Or what's a better option is to actually collaborate using something like OpenAI and type in your prompt, or Gemini, or Sidekick. You can also try Claude, and there's a ton of other ones that are out there that you can use. But for right now, we're just going to type in OpenAI and ChatGPT's prompt. Let's say we're trying to make a song on again. Let's say we're trying to make a song on, oh my gosh. Let's create a song on converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. No. Let's create a song on turning a, no. Go ahead. Let's create a song on turning a mixed number into, let's create a song on converting an improper fraction into a mixed number. So I'm going to say, write a song related to converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now, this is not what you're going to want to do is plug it in. What you're going to want to, what you're not wanting, what you aren't going to want to do is just plug this in. This is not going to give you what you want. So you're going to have to actually work with it and collaborate with the machine. So these lyrics, as you can see, are pretty bad. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I've got a mixed number. Here we go. Let's turn it into an improper pro. First, take the whole number, multiply it by the base, then add the numerator just in place. So, not exactly fun. You're going to want to work with it, tell it exactly what you want to do. Maybe you have a specific method that you would like to use. Mine is the horse and the cowboy. So I would say something such as, I want the, so what I would do is something like, I'm going to say that the horse is the bottom, which is the denominator. The cowboy is the numerator on the top, and then the quotient is the quail. So you'll type something like that in, and you're going to work with that prompt a little bit until you get something that you want. You'll finesse it, talk back and forth with the AI, tell it what's right, what's wrong. I'll go into that in another video if you're not sure how to work with prompts and how to engineer them the correct way and how to get what you want as far as results go. But once you've worked with it for a while, like I have over here, I finally got this. I created a country song. These are the lyrics. And then it gave me more. It gave me a pre-chorus on top of my chorus, a verse, another pre-chorus, and then your final chorus. And what I did was I took all of this, I copied it, and I ended up getting this at the end. But what you'll do is you'll paste it in here, paste all of your lyrics into there, and then you enter your style of music right here. So if you want it to be lo-fi, industrial, you can put rap, old school rap, whatever you would like it to be. Select your persona only if you have a subscription plan. You get at least 10 songs right now out of this program without upgrading, and then you can give it a specific title. And then all you do is hit create. It's super easy. You'll get 2 versions per song. I did this several times, you can see, until I got something that I liked. And I gave it a thumbs up on specific ones that I specifically liked. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. When you're done, what you can do is just right click here and you can download it, download the audio or the video. The video is just going to be a basic picture that moves a little bit. The audio will give you a specific track related to the song. It'll give you a link, which you can see right over here. I did it 3 different ways, 3 different country songs. And then what I did afterwards was I had my kids vote on which one they liked the best. I created a Google form and they voted and they said they liked version 2 the best. So pretty cool interactive way to get the kids to listen to what you want them to listen to, regardless of whatever it is. Maybe you're working on rounding or estimating or just adding whole numbers. It could just be any level of information. You can get them to pay attention to you that way. It only takes a couple of minutes. So I have my responses here, and they did their poll, and they read through the lyrics. They're kind of forced to read through the lyrics and get that reinforcement through music. And you'll see some of them will start to actually sing along if it's a good enough song. And I've been doing this for quite a few songs now. This is another one. This is about heading your paper, called Lines and Margins. So I've had an issue with students this year trying to, they're not quite sure where the holes are supposed to go on the paper. It's a good fifth of the class. So we're working on that, putting holes on the left-hand side, and then that their paper, the larger part, is supposed to be on the top, so where they can write their title. And so I kind of just made a song for them to listen to, and it's straightforward. It's pretty easy. So give it a shot. Wish you the best of the luck. So it's pretty straightforward. It's easy to do, and you should try it out. All right. Hope this helps.